I have a question for either one of you. Can you talk specifically about how your offices are set up? Because I think a lot of folks don't know how busy the members are. And so, you know, how many people are on your staff during session? Do you have interns that handle specific issues? And how you work as a team to kind of manage where everyone is at one time? I know, Jonathan, you might want to answer this question. You've got a full staff over there.
Sure. So during session, you know, when you added up all the people that were in our office, we had about 10 to 11 people. Yeah. Wow. I saw Janet's face. She popped up on my Zoom. So I was chief of staff. We had Aja, who was our legislative aide. Tamisha Brim would come in about a day or two each week to help out, but she was helping out remotely already, you know, helping tab the emails to who they were supposed to go to, because, you know, when we come in the morning, we've got about 1,000 emails, no kidding, about 1,000 emails from people all over the Commonwealth, not just constituents or lobbyists or advocates. You know, we've got people of all ages, even people that are in high school, you know, sending messages, which we appreciate on what their opinion is on certain bills and what issues they want to see, you know, our senator vote on, and which way they want to see them, you know, go. And so, you know, Tamisha was great in tabbing those emails. We also had interns tabbing emails and printing things that needed to go in certain binders. And so for the most part, me and Aja took up the task of, you know, meeting with various folks, you know, that wanted to talk to the senator and get a piece of their time. You know, but of course, you know, starting early in the morning, bright and early at 7:30 a.m., Senator was chairing public safety subcommittee for finance, or she was in education and health at 8 a.m. on a Thursday, chairing that, or she was in, you know, the judicial committee, you know, or, you know, so Senator and Senator Saslaw, both of them were always running committee to committee. Then they needed to be at caucus and then be on the floor. And so, you know, and then they have their various subcommittees, of course. So, you know, it was imperative that we had a great team, and we did. And I'm very happy about the way that we got through session. And, you know, Senator Lucas, I know, is extremely happy about the way our team has worked and continued to work together.
We are not as large a staff, and bless your heart, you know, that's a lot of people to manage in addition to everything else we're doing. But, you know, you do it very well, you know. The thing that I would say, there are people in the office, in Senator Saslaw's office, we hire a session aide. We also have interns that we work with, and we coordinate that work. As Jonathan points out, the hugest chunk of input coming in daily are those emails. And one of the things that I would, you know, emphasize, it is always good to reach out if you're a constituent. I think that's a priority view, as opposed to any place in the Commonwealth just doing an email to the senators because an advocacy group has tapped you on the shoulder and said, put your name on this. So, and again, communication is pretty significant with us. Today, we also have administrative assistants just during session that, you know, in our particular office is handling the phones. And those people, you know, are, for us, that's incoming messaging. And we are looking at that toward an appropriate time in the day where we can either return calls or sort through that. Again, the priority goes to the constituent or to the recognized authority that on a particular subject matter.